Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is empty, a common but versatile verb that you'll hear and use all the time. So, what does it mean to empty something? Well, simply put, it means to make something have nothing inside. It's the act of removing contents from a container or a space. We use it in many everyday situations, from doing chores to describing feelings. Think about emptying a bin or emptying your pockets before laundry. It's a very practical word. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Instead of saying empty, you could say clear. For example, please clear the table after dinner. Another synonym is drain, often used with liquids. We need to drain the swimming pool before winter. You could also use unload. The truck driver had to unload the boxes from the truck. Another option is evacuate, which usually refers to people leaving a place, but can also be used to describe emptying a building. The building was evacuated after the fire alarm went off. Consider also the word void, more formal but applicable. The contract was declared void due to a legal error. For example, I need to empty my bank account, clear my debts, and start over after being unloaded from all my belongings. Let's switch gears and look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. The most obvious antonym for empty is fill. Please fill the glass with water. Another antonym is load. Let's load the dishwasher after the meal. We could also use pack. I need to pack my suitcase for the trip. The word occupy can be used when talking about space. The building is currently occupied by a tenant. We can even use the word stuff. Don't stuff the bag too full, it might rip. So, while you might empty your backpack after school, you would fill it in the morning. Understanding these contrasts helps solidify the meaning of empty. Now, let's look at how empty is used in everyday life. Imagine you're baking a cake. You might say, I need to empty the flour into the bowl. Or, if you're cleaning your room, you might say, I need to empty the trash can. You might even hear someone say, my stomach feels empty, meaning they're hungry. And it doesn't just apply to physical things. You might feel empty after a sad movie, meaning you feel emotionally drained. The word empty can even be used figuratively, like empty promises, meaning promises that are unlikely to be kept. Here are some more example sentences and phrases. She emptied her pockets and found a crumpled receipt. Please empty your mind of all distractions and focus on the task at hand. The theater emptied quickly after the show finished at 9 p.m. The stadium was empty because the game had been canceled. He felt empty inside after the loss. Empty calories are those that provide little nutritional value. I felt a bit empty when I left my old job. The shop assistant started to empty the cash register at the end of the day at 6 p.m. He emptied the bottle of water after a long run. You need to empty your head. So, to recap, empty means to make something have nothing inside. We learned synonyms like clear, drain, unload, evacuate, and void. We also explored antonyms like fill, load, pack, occupy, and stuff. We saw how empty is used in various contexts, from baking to describing emotions. We explored several sentences and expressions using the word. I hope this episode has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the word empty a little better. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word empty and share it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next episode.